Hey, everybody, Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Want to do a quick market update. It is August 3rd, 2023. Welcome to the dog days of summer. Hey, for all of our mastermind members who are already in our program, as you go through the training, you'll learn that this is the time of the year where markets generally go sideways, they go slow. It's no guarantee. We have these little surprises now and again, but it's just typical. It's normal. It's what happens in markets. So if you're not seeing a lot of volatility right now, hey, there's a reason for that. I think the volatility is some of the lowest there is since like 2020, July of 2020 or something like that. So what that means is there's a lot of people not trading right now. They're on vacation. They're taking those last minute, vacation for the kids start school, in the northern hemisphere. So it's normal. It's natural. So if you're new and you're wondering why things aren't moving, well, that's why. Now, you never know. You can have different surprises in that. So just learn that this is just how it works. There's different times of the year where things just kind of slow down. So let's go ahead and talk about the markets here really quick. Before I do that, I want to give everyone a couple little updates. If you're running our WaveBot strategies, congratulations, guys. WaveBot strategies are a way to make money in crypto markets, whether things are going up or down. It's a stress-free way where you can make some really consistent profits over time without having to stare at charts all day. So congratulations to those of you that are taking advantage of our WaveBot strategies. By the way, currently our WaveBot 5 HV strategy is the most profitable, and it's doing extremely well. Now, with that said, many of you know that we've been talking about our upcoming WaveBot DEX product, and this is trading on decentralized exchanges. So here's one of my WaveBot DEXs that we have some internal betas that we're testing right now, and I'll kind of give you guys an idea here where this one is really close to taking a profit right here. I have a demo mode that I was playing with, and you can see, $9,800 in profit. So yeah, definitely in demo mode, you can do all kinds of things, but we're really excited to roll this out. So just imagine being able to trade, being able to run WaveBot strategies on decentralized exchanges. So Binance Smart Chain will be the first one. Think PancakeSwap. We'll roll this out to Uniswap. We'll roll this out to Uniswap chains, Ethereum chains, and then other blockchains as well. So super excited about this. This is going to be a game changer. Those people that are in our program will get that for free. So make sure that you're grandfathered in, because when WaveBot DEX comes out, we are planning to significantly increase the price of our program. If you're not already in the program, see the links below to watch one of our presentations, one of our trainings that you can learn exactly what we are doing. One other quick announcement before I roll this out, talk about the market reports. Those of you in the members area, make sure you guys get plugged in and subscribe. Inside here, make sure that you spend some time in here. We're testing out different multi-pairs. We're lots of great comments and communication going in here inside of our members forum. If you guys are looking for the edge, this is the place to be. One last thing, make sure you guys have subscribed to the Telegram group as well. That's where we post our most important announcements. Starting next week, we're rolling out a new feature where we're actually going to be doing different trade setup alerts. I mentioned this last week on our Tuesday AMA call that we did, but we are going to start rolling out sometime next week. We'll be doing actually live trade calls because we've had a lot of requests for that. We'll give you actually specific entry points, take profit points. I think you're going to really love it. All right, let's just talk about the markets here really quick. Again, we're in those dog days of summer. Bitcoin is going slow. I've got Bitcoin on the one-day chart here, looking at BTC USDT on a one-day chart with the TCC trend indicator. Now you can see here that we had some volatility with a nice buy signal down here in the 28. What was our low here? We got down to about 28.5 or so. We hit down in here 28.5, and that was kind of a target range. So where are we going to go from here? So let's talk about this. I generally find that what the majority of everyone out there is saying, we ended up doing the opposite. And we've had a really nice run this year so far. We have been up Congratulations to those of you guys that took advantage. We were paying attention back in November, December, when we were screaming from the rooftops that we were getting buy signals and that. And up to the top, we've done about 100%. So you would have doubled your money on Bitcoin. If you would have followed our signals, you could have actually even tripled your earnings from these buy and sells if you were doing some swing trading. So congratulations to those of you. Now, where are we going to go from here? Well, our general trend is up. However, if we look at the TCC trend chart, we're starting to lose that steam, and we talked about we might be starting kind of like a Bart Simpson pattern, where this is generally normal that we're going to have some type of a pullback, guys. So listen, we have a lot of people right now in the market saying, this narrative is here, this narrative is here, and we're going to skyrocket up here, we're going to bounce up from right here. Probability wise, we're probably going to turn from green to gray here on the TCC trend chart. We're probably going to visit some of these areas, pull back in here a little bit. Very, very possible we could come down even to 25K. You never know, but we're really going to bounce around sideways. But these are great opportunities. Look at these as actual amazing opportunities to go ahead and accumulate and dollar cost average at these levels. Just so you know, as you follow these charts here, just so you know, that on the TCC trend chart, it's really easy. You've got red, you've got green, and you got gray. And this will let us know when we are getting into the potential trend changes. So if I look at the 1 hour chart here, I can see on a 1 hour chart that we're just really chopping around here. There's no definite signs in here. We're chopping around, but there actually have been a couple good swing trades from here, from a strong buy here, all the way up to a strong sell. And these things happen really fast for those of you that like to do these types of a quick trade. There's a quick 5%, 4.5% swing trade that you could have done there on a quick 1 day, and then boom, it bounced back down. This is what we generally have, and now it looks like we're going to probably chop away sideways. But what you want to look at here is go to the 2 hour chart, see we went from red to gray, go to a 4 hour chart, we're already in the red, and this bleeds into the 6 hour chart. 6 hour chart has already gone down. Probabilities are that this will soon turn red as well. We're going into the 12 hour chart. So what I'm trying to show you is the pattern is that we're losing some momentum right now. The 12 hour chart is gray and will probably continue to go gray. And then the daily chart here, we haven't hit gray yet. So what we're looking for is areas when we turn gray. So when we turn gray, that shows us that we're definitely going down on a 1 day chart. And you can apply this on any other chart. So what we're looking for, we're in the area where you're looking to buy the dip opportunities, looking for these buys and these strong buy indicators, especially on a daily chart, even on a 12 hour chart, you can see these. And then, our general trend is up, and things are looking up and up and up. And, Bitcoin will surprise us. We'll probably come back down. We may even see some surprises back down in these areas and chop back up. And we'll see some, movement as we get going into fall here. There's be some great opportunities, but the long-term trend is up. So it kind of depends on your investment strategy, what you're looking for. Again, if you're in our program, you're doing WaveBot, you don't have to worry about these. You literally just let these WaveBots run, and you don't have to babysit them. For those who'd like to get a little bit more actively involved in trading, again, we will be having our different trade alerts that we'll be pushing out here more towards this later this week. Next week is when we'll be doing that. Now, just a reminder, these charts work on any crypto. You can look at them and see where we are on the train, on the areas. Are we, if we flipped to green yet? Here's Bitcoin Cash that has done extremely well. If you've been following this indicator from the strong buyback on June 10th, you could have done a 193% return on that. Congratulations if you took that. Here is eCash, same thing, guys. Following these charts here on those buy signals, you would have done a 96%. Here's Pepe right here. Again, Pepe is a meme coin. I'm not a huge guy into meme coins, but we've actually made quite a bit of profits on Pepe this year. Here's Optimism. Again, Optimism gave us a really nice potential trend change up here on the 1 day chart and has already done a 36% right from June. So congratulations if you're watching that. And then Litecoin just went through its halving, and it's having a nice big Dumpola there, and so we've seen that on a one-day chart. We went to green, massive gains, went to gray, went to green again, now it's going to gray, and it's probably will turn to red. So there'll be some good opportunities to look where this thing settles here. Injective Protocol, same thing, we're still trending up. BNB, we've got a nice downtrend there on BNB. Solana is also trending up. So that's just a few of them, guys. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys do the rest. Those of you that are members, if you're looking for our indicators, if you're looking for our strategies, go ahead inside those links there. Lots of great things happening inside the members area, guys. Make sure you pay attention to the Telegram channel. Make sure you pay attention to the forums if you're in our program already. And if you're not in our program, give it a try. Go ahead and check out our free training. We'll teach you all about what we do with our strategies and why we're having so much success. Alrighty, guys, those of you that are in the program, we will see you next Tuesday on our next AMA. And hey, the dog days of summer here. We can still make some great money as we're going into the end of summer here, into fall. There's going to be some great opportunities. Remember, look at everything and do the opposite of the herd. When everyone is scared, when you see crypto dropping, this is when you're looking for your accumulation opportunities. When people are excited back in here and they see prices going up, and days like where we have news where XRP wins their lawsuit and you see things pumping, that's when you are taking your profits. Alrighty, guys, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys have an amazing day. As always, take massive action in your life. Anything you do, we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.